Mark Weeks, 52 Weeks Financial.
Mark, I noticed Mad Money Kramer's been freaking out this week, which means the markets are probably pretty turbulent. Can you give us an update?
Yeah, it's funny. We're down. We've been down both Monday and Tuesday, so some people call that treacherous. I think I've heard. I'd say people are taking a little bit of the profits off of the table. When we look at what's going on out there, we really look at jobs, which are booming. When we look back at some of the labor statistics from this year, jobs have increased most in the leisure and hospitality industry, construction, education, health services. We had a report in April, Good Friday actually, that jobs had increased a staggering 916,000 for that month.
Truly good news, huh?
Yeah, very good news. That's up from an expected 660,000 that they had projected. Next thing I'm looking at is everyone's wondering about the housing boom out there. I don't know if you or any of your friends have been searching for a house right now, but absolutely one of the hottest housing markets we've seen in terms of people getting the price that they want. Definitely a seller's market. And people are wondering, is that going to continue? What we see is that this is more of a supply side market drive up. The actual number of houses that we need to build every year is about 1.5 million, and that's to replace the scrappage houses that are damaged from storms, whatnot. And over the last 20 years, there's really been a lack of homes. The average March of 2001 through February of 2021, average housing starts of 1.25 million a year. So you can see 250,000 or shortage over the last 20 years starting to add up. And we're seeing a lot of people move out of cities, obviously, and into those rural areas, and that's driving up prices in areas that we just wouldn't have foreseen.
Right.
The next thing, are stocks still cheap? Is the market going to continue to go up? Are we going to see, even additional record highs? We came off a record high last week. There are economists out there right now that have moved their targets on the S&P 500 to 4,500 by year end. And the Dow Jones, one economist I'm looking at, they're suggesting a target price there of about 36,750. So we think there's still a lot of good news to come out in the latter half of this year. Feel like the economy is going to continue to expand. It's expanding at record pace, which we would anticipate because we've been under such stringent shutdown conditions that just the reopening we've gone through so far has generated tremendous economic recovery, and we look for that to continue.
Yeah, even the Zoom stock, which was so high last year, down 8%. This year to date. So for the people that are listening, how can they get a hold of you if they're interested?
Yeah, best thing to do is to go out to our website, 52weeksfinancial.com. Phone number's at the top. You can always call us, or if you want to schedule something on your own time, hit the contact tab and you can schedule a meeting with us there directly.
Hey, it's Hutson Mason here. Check out more with Mark Weeks of 52 Weeks Financial when we bring you more insight next week. And also check them out at 52weeksfinancial.com.